Africa Law and Tech Festival is about how law intersects with technology in terms of policy, talking about AI policy. We talk about startup laws across Africa. Our partners this year is Mozilla, co-develop. We're working with Safaricom, GIZ, and the German Foundation, the German government have come in to also support this. We have different organizations also like Amnesty International, just a multi-stakeholder movement of people who are working together. We have members of parliament joining us from different countries, data protection commissioners who are in the room.
The reason why we wanted to participate in the Africa Law Tech Festival is because we recognize the need to uphold and protect human rights in the digital space. Specifically, we deal with digital rights violations such as censorship, suppression, and also cyberbullying, and also just helping organizations as well as the citizens of the Republic understand the importances of safeguarding your data and protecting your data and understanding your rights as data subjects on how best to protect yourself in the digital space.
The Africa Tech Festival is an important event because it brings together players in the legal and digital spaces to come and discuss things that of current import, things around digital rights, digital markets and trade and so on and so forth. And so happy to be here, and it's a place to be.
One thing I find interesting about this conference is that it brings out the digital part of the integration that we are looking towards in incorporating the African Continental Free Trade Area, which is a dream that should come true, considering it was dreamed long ago, and right now we have a common market, but still we can't see the free trade area coming into action.
It is with happiness that I discovered that Africa is fast developing, especially on the technology side, which is having great ideas, developing more ideas on us to be able to have one single global market in order to facilitate trade and other areas among us.
The kind of work I do, it's very important for me to be able to find out about what's happening in different countries, to discuss with like-minded legal practitioners from different countries within our continent. And so one thing that stood out for me is the fact that they're saying that this is being done with us and not for us, and therefore we are active participants, sharing our ideas and our ideations.
The key takeaway from this festival is that there's need to be harmonization in terms of regulations, in terms of the privacy landscape in Africa to enable countries to be able to do digital trade, and also for data flows to be able to make sure that we are compliant with the law, and also to enhance economic activities.
Lawyers Hub is therefore a key partner for us to be able to, to front some of these agendas and to make, first of all, make our voice heard as a player in this ecosystem.
This festival helps to improve digital policy skills, which is still lacking, for us to see how policy can actually make business better. We're looking at ease of doing business. We're also looking at startups and medium-sized businesses, connecting with lawyers, connecting with new market opportunities. So this is what it's about.